Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review and comparison about these two password manager platform, which is Bitwarden and Sticky Password. So I'm going to create a quick in-depth analysis about the overall, the strength and the weakness and the overall conclusion about this platform to help you make an informed decision. So to get started with a quick overview, Bitwarden is an open source password manager known for its strong security, transparency, and availability ideas for both individuals and teams. Talking about Sticky Password on the other side is a traditional password manager that offers offline sync, a lightweight interface, and the real option of a lifetime license. Now, talking about the strength and weakness of these two platforms, starting with the Bitwarden, revealing the strength of this platform. It's an open source and a regular audited, high secure with end-to-end encryption. It also has a free plan, is robust. The free plan is robust, and also the paid version is extremely affordable. Talking about the downside, the UI is functional but not as sleek as other competitors' platform, and also some features like password health report required premium. Also, it requires basic tech functionalities for full customization. Now, talking about the Sticky Password strength on the other side, it has a optional local on Wi-Fi synchronization on no cloud required. Also, one-time lifetime license available on the platform. Those are this lightweight and fast with solid core functionalities. Talking about the downside, which is the weakness of the Sticky Password, it's an updated interface. That's an updated interface and a less modern UX. But also the fewer updates and features expansion, not ideas for collaboration or business use. And here's a real conclusion by me. If you want a modern, secure, and available password manager with an open source, trust, and team features, Bitwarden will be a better option for you. Then also, if you prefer offline use, a one-time payment option, and no frills privacy first setup for personal use, just quickly go for Sticky Password. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. Thanks.